Hi everyone. So we are live. You already have some doubts, so I'll take on it one by one. What activities are exactly going to happen on 22nd and 23rd, 25th? Can you please clear this doubt? So Priyanka, tomorrow we'll be releasing a Google Form link. On this, uh, उस link में आप जब जाओगे, you can submit all the things that were required from your side, right from your presentation to your write-ups, each and everything that were asked from you, आप वहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. The deadline to submit all of these things is by tomorrow midnight 23:59. मतलब रात को 12 बजे फिर वो लिंक बंद हो जाएगा. ऑन 22nd शाम को 7 से 8 के आसपास we'll be announcing your slots. एक रैंडम बेसिस पे स्लॉट चूज किया जाएगा. 23 को there will be around 8 teams, 24 ko there will be around 8 teams, and 25th ko around 8 to 9 teams will be giving their respective interviews. So slots will be of 20 minutes to 30 minutes each, जहाँ पर जो mentors रहेंगे they would have pre-evaluated your stuffs, and once they would have pre-evaluated the stuffs, what they are going to do is they are going to ask you certain questions. Each and every team member need to be present there. Once they are present there, each and every team member will have to tell what was their role in shaping the way the product or the solution is shaped the way it is. And yeah, that is it. I mean, ये जो अनाउंसमेंट है कि कौन सा स्लॉट कौन सी टीम को कब मिलेगा, ये कल दिया जाएगा. स्लॉट्स विल बी आफ्टर 6 to 7 PM, ताकि आपका जो रेगुलर कॉलेज आवर्स है वो डिस्टर्ब ना हो. So we'll make note of that. During online presentation, is it mandatory for all the team members to present and explain one by one, or just one or two of the team members have to do it? See, this will be a very tight knit competition. We recommend that all the team members are there and they justify why they are there in the team. So it's genuinely needed then and there. If you have any other doubts, please ask. It's a very tight knit competition, and by 25th or 26th morning we'll be delivering the results, ताकि आपको पता रहे कौन कौन सी टीम 27th को पहुंच रही है for the live felicitation. Regarding the round 1 certificates आज रात तक रिलीज हो जाएंगी. रात को 12-1 बजे तक रिलीज हो जाएंगी, नहीं तो मैक्सिमम कल सुबह तक तो रिलीज हो ही जाएंगी सारी टीमों की. And regarding round 2 certificates, they will be provided to you 27. जो लोग 11 से 25th रैंक में रह जाएंगे उनको ऑनलाइन मिलेगा. जो लोग 1 से 10th में रहेंगे उन लोग को इन पर्सन 27th को फेलिसिटेशन सेरेमनी में मिलेगा. The main event is on 27th, and NPTEL exam date is also on 27th. I have exam from 9 to 12. Can I join after that? Of course. जो फेलिसिटेशन सेरेमनी है that will happen somewhere around 3 to 4 PM, I guess. उसके बाद ही होएगा. So we will be releasing the schedule on 26th. By what time will you need to be there? It will definitely be after 2 PM. मतलब you can come, join, attend all the activities that are happening from 9 AM onwards. But felicitation जो है वो 2-2:30 के बाद में ही होगा. Tomorrow, by when do we have the projects? Do we have to submit the project environment link file with documentation and presentation? Yes, everything. You have to submit all the relevant materials that are going to be there. आपको जो presentation जो आप submit करोगे उसी you have to use that only to present to the panelists. So जो presentation है वो भी आपका कल रात को 12 बजे तक submit हो जाना चाहिए. Hi Kritika, I would like to inquire about the process for submitting our code. Also, it's mentioned that we need to submit a write-up. Could you kindly clarify the preferred format for the write-up? Should it be in? Can you please complete your question? Should it be in a doc file or a Word file or another format? Your assessment would be appreciated. Thank you for your time and support. I'm always there for you. So yeah, PDF file is something that we would recommend. आप doc file में भी दे सकते हो, but something that we recommend is PDF file, and with every thing that जहाँ से भी आपने रेफरेंसेस लिए हैं, everything should be linked there ताकि our team can verify everything. So that is something there. The code and everything will be your code should be uploaded on GitHub, and your GitHub link should be uploaded there. The process is very simple. Upload कर दो अपना code को. There should be a self-explanatory stuffs. Your code should have enough comments so that our team, when they are going through, knows why you did what you did. Yeah, upload the GitHub link of your repository. Please give tips on what the panelists might expect. I heard in the previous session about citations, experimentation, something more that you would recommend. Um, just a second. So there are a couple of things that we are looking into. Um, so just a second. So what we are going to judge you on, the markers are originality, the effectiveness of your approach, how you present, what your team dynamics are. These are some of the key factors that we will be looking at. So your citations and everything is important, but how original is your approach towards the problem? Um, we, you should understand that जो तीनों क्वेश्चन आपको दिए हुए हैं, the panelists who are going to be there have or at least one of them has worked on one of those problem statements, and they would know almost all the approaches जो आपने ले रखे हैं. So they would know कि whether that is an obsolete approach or a new approach, and how you present that and what you did to make sure कि आपने उसमें कुछ increase किया है, अपना कुछ element डाला है. That is what would make you probably excel among others. So yeah, that is what's there. If we have any other doubts, do we have any other doubts? राउंड वन का जो सर्टिफिकेट है वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आज रात या कल सुबह तक आपको मिल जाएगा. सो डोंट वरी ऑन दैट. द सबमिशन लिंक विल बी शेयर टू यू बाय टुमारो along with your slots, so it will be there. You need me on anything else? Supriyo, Kritika, Shayandeep, yeah, that would be much appreciated. Matlab, anything that makes you think ki, so when you are doing the write up or when you're doing the presentation, there's this concept of elevator pitch. Like within 30 seconds or within 1 minute, how can you convince us that what you are doing is something where you are breaking out of the norms and trying to solve the problem? Whether you end up solving that particular way or not, that's just different scenarios. So if you show us via graphs that जो previous approaches थे उन्होंने कितना accuracy what was the accuracy score, what was the f1 f2 score, and how are you there right now, so that would save us lot of time in jargons. So uh, including graphs is recommended, but relevant graphs, of course. Any other doubts, guys? Priyanka, Kritika, Shayandeep, Supriyo. Any other doubts do we have? Or else we'll be ending this live. Chalo, all the best. If you have doubts, you already have my email ID. You can put it up there. We'll be happy to answer. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Do you have any other mechanism? Because we want it to be on GitHub so that it's the parity is there. Acha, one more thing. Um, all your um, ऑल योर 23rd to 25th जितने भी आप लोगों के पैनल डिस्कशंस होंगे, ठीक है, all of them will be recorded, and after the completion of this 25 interviews, whatever has been done, it will all be published live, so that Each and every individual who were in top 25 and were outside of it can actually see what was proposed by each and every team member and learn from our suggestions, our recommendations from them. This is meant to be a learning exercise as well as a very transparent competition. So you might agree or you might not disagree with our choice of final top 10, but trust me, we intend to make sure that the parity from our side is almost always there. So all of the team members will know कि दूसरी टीम ने कैसे परफॉर्म किया after the end of 25th. मतलब the videos will not be pre-released but it will be recorded, and each and every suggestion and recommendation can be heard after 25th. Regarding the code, we have the main code that we will submit in GitHub. Should we upload also the code that we tried but did not work out? You can do, but I don't know. I mean, how will you represent this thing? That's up to you. We have not given a thought on that. You can have separate, or probably in the same code, you can comment stuffs out. Okay, this is what you tried and why it did not work. So you can comment it out, or probably in your write up, you can find a place to put it somewhere. Because understand, all of us are working professionals where we have day to day jobs. Okay, so we will not be able to go through lot of stuffs, but the way you put stuffs up will mean that हमने एक जो crucial point जो आप हमें दिखाना चाहते थे हमने वो देख लिया. So that's the whole gist. So ensure that the way you present is very, very, very important, that you grab our eyeballs. That's upon the panelist. I mean, how you um, so from 0 to 1 is as important as from 1 to 100. Okay. Of course, scratch models will generally tends to be more appreciated, but if that is too much error prone, and if it is not, if it is actually performing lesser than what the results have already been out there, and significantly lesser, then the first question, if I am a panelist, I am going to ask is why did not you consider fine tuning the existing models? So all both the approaches have their pros and cons. I think by now your models are already ready. So don't worry on that. Worry on whatever you have done and to how to justify why you did take this approach. I guess that's it. So we'll end the call for today. Any other doubts? Just mail it to me. I'll try and answer it as much as I can. Yeah, whoever are attending, the camera needs to be open. That's pretty much a mandatory. Thank you for asking this, Supriyo. Please ensure your Wi-Fi is all sorted out, your voice is all sorted out, everything is sorted out. So please ensure that. All of you will receive your slot times along with the joining links by tomorrow. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I'm ending the stream.